How does constructivism help with equality? So here are 5 key points. Number 1, experience is unique to us all. So we all have it, we're all involved in it, we can't escape it. It's a complete leveler in that sense. It's very individualistic. Number 2, if you access learning through experience, that is a great leveler in terms of societal need. Because we all have experience, it doesn't matter how much money you have, what your background is, what your prior knowledge is, how well you fit into the educational system that exists, you are still able to access learning from your own perspective and your own experience. Number 3, because it's about experience, it brings a moral, ethical and creative agenda into education, because they are all key components of our experience. We all understand them through experience, and so everything becomes a part of the curriculum in a way that doesn't exist under the national curriculum. Number 4, it values the individual for themselves, because it places them right at the heart of the learning process. An individual's experience is absolutely the starting point for everything else that is learned. And number 5, which builds a bit on point 4, it means we meet learners where they are. We're not meeting them with a mindset of where we think they should be. So the starting point is always a platform for success. We're not asking people to try and build up a skill set or build up knowledge to meet a kind of standard that's age related or anything to do with anyone else. We're saying where you are is okay, that's you, that's a platform for you to go on and grow and succeed from in your educational journey.